OSCR is showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bearish trend, especially since it got a rejection as of Monday, the 30th of June, at somewhere around $21 or thereabout, 21 point, maybe 21.45 or thereabout. Yeah, it's been showing a lot of weakness at various times, attempting to reverse the downtrend. So lower prices are expected to remain in place up till Monday, the 21st of July. So ultimately, it's just going to be the extrapolation is for a, if you like, a contraction with a bias to the upside, especially up till Tuesday, the 12th of July. Yeah. And in terms of projections, we have 17.35 as of yesterday, the 18th. And before then, it was 17.35 and 18.91. Let's have a look at the price pressure momentum and see what it's saying. Yeah, they are all for the 10 and 21 day moving averages, they are all severely bearish, especially the 10-day moving average, indicating that in a very short time of late, a lot of selling pressure has occurred, and not as much over the intermediate period. Yeah. So, however, the extrapolation of its 10-day moving average is that momentum is expected to pick up and expected to remain strong up till Wednesday, the 13th of August, which is also pretty much in line with what this extrapolation of the 3-day moving average is indicating. So, in the very short term, maybe there might be a bounce, Indeed, also the 21-day moving average is extrapolated to also see some strength coming in. So let's see whether we can see any ambitious projections on its weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we have 18.5, nothing serious, nothing. We've seen something like that already. Okay, we have here previous projections: 33.40, 40.55, 44.97. I think we may have projections from the past ourselves. Let's see whether we still have any of them. OSCR, we may have. Let's just scan back and review. OSCR. Okay, nothing there as such. Okay, so projections we've seen here: 33.40, 40.55, 44.97. This is on top of the $18 and some fraction. But we could also come back and look at the daily chart. You may have previous projections as well. 18.91 is the top of that projection so far. Okay, we have in between that, we have between 33 and 18, we have 20.64, 23.34, 25.01. Yeah, okay. I think we have a decent amount of projections here. So let's listen to what the readout has to say about the stock.
Oscar Health, or OSCR, is trending downwards as traders and long-term investors weigh whether the recent pullback represents a discounted buying opportunity or an early warning sign of deeper trouble. The renewed selling pressure follows a UBS downgrade, with analysts pointing to concerns over future exchange enrollments, which could hamper Oscar's revenue growth and market share in the competitive health insurance space. The downgrade has amplified existing worries about the sustainability of Oscar's business model, especially its heavy reliance on Affordable Care Act or ACA marketplaces and government subsidies. Some investors fear that regulatory shifts, potential enrollment stagnation, or rising medical costs could squeeze margins further. Despite this, a faction of the community remains bullish, arguing that Oscar's tech driven approach, strong brand recognition among younger, digital native consumers, and AI powered care navigation platform give it an edge over traditional insurers. These supporters view the dip as a chance to accumulate shares at a lower price, betting on long term disruption of the outdated health insurance sector. However, skeptics highlight that the broader healthcare sector has faced headwinds recently, with rising medical costs, regulatory uncertainty, and shrinking profit margins putting pressure on many insurance providers. Negative analyst coverage has added to the cautious sentiment, with some traders suspecting that further downgrades could follow if Oscar's next earnings miss expectations or if enrollment projections decline. The community is now sharply divided, with debates focusing on whether Oscar can scale profitably without constant capital raises, how it stacks up against peers like Clover Health or Bright Health, which face similar challenges. If the broader market environment and investor appetite for high growth, unprofitable companies will turn around in time to benefit Oscar. Overall, Oscar Health's next earnings report and enrollment update are shaping up to be crucial catalysts, either validating the bull's belief in its innovative edge or confirming bears' concerns about persistent losses and structural challenges.
Okay, so I'm just gathering all those projections. Let's see here. We have 20.64, 23.34, 25.01, and then going to the weekly chart. We have it here. We have them here 33.40, 40.55, and then 44.97. So the projections 17.35, 18.91, 20.64, 23.34, 25.01, 33.40, 40.55, 44.97. See what you make of OSCR, and thank you very much for watching this video.